Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best drone under 250 grams in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. GADGET S608 Drone Camera. This S608 drone provide 4K UHD camera with shock absorption holder, ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens enables you to see the world from different angle. This drone equipped 3000 mAh battery and maximum battery life 30 minutes. Strong wind resistance equipped with 4 brushless motors using 2.4 GHz high-frequency remote control signal. The remote control distance can reach nearly 5,000 meters and it is not easy to be interfered by magnetic fields. It also GPS positioning mode. Control the aircraft to fly at a distance of 5 meters from the controller. On the follow function. The aircraft can automatically follow the movement of the controller and take pictures. It also point out the flight waypoint you want on the map, and the drone can install the waypoint you specify to fly, which is simple and fun. One key takeoff landing via remote control. No need for tedious operation, easy control. Number 4. OIK 911 Max Drone Camera. The OIK 911 Max drones with camera for adults 4K provides a high-resolution picture. 120-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustable lens allows you to see the world from a different perspective. 5 GHz FPV transmission can ensure stable and smooth video. The OIK drone is your ideal travel companion. This drone comes with a bag carrying case and the foldable design is easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. Drones with camera for adults 4K professional long range. The OIK drone is equipped with 4 powerful brushless motors which can enable stable and fast drone flights. Besides, they have a longer lifetime and spare you from motor maintenance. The drone is equipped with a laser 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance system. When the drone is flying, the laser safety system will automatically rotate 360 degrees to scan whether there are obstacles ahead to ensure the safety of the drone. The drone automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame is easier to get complex shots. This feature helps provide hands-free flying and selfies. The drone with optical flow and GPS positioning, it can hover stably both indoor and outdoor. When the drone signal is lost, out of range, low power, or you press one key return, the drone will automatically return to home. Never lose your drone. It is very easy to operate, even for beginners. Number 3. KCXR G101 Drone Camera. The KCX drone camera provides 6K pixels, means that the details you see are 1080 pixel HD video 6 times better. Highlight and shadow details can be presented regardless of time and track. The distance, movement and every beautiful moment are presented with high quality. The body is comparable to the palm of your hand, so you can take it anywhere. When you encounter something fun, you can carry it quickly and easily. The drone equipped with a brushless motor with a smaller size and better performance with high burst strong power, high-speed power output of 3200 RPM. Wind resistance, the index is as high as level 7, and the flight is more comfortable and stable. This drone provides 7.4 volt 3000 mAh large capacity battery with 25 minutes long battery life. Flew several times. This drone fly rolling 360-degree shuttle between the woods and walk around the building complex. As agile as a bird, can be used in more complex scenarios, and when flying at night, move obstacle avoidance, refuse to crash. This drone smart follow system, turn on the follow function. You can follow the controller automatically. Open setup aerial photography to achieve follow-up photography. Automatically record the starting point position before takeoff. When you need to return home automatically, you can automatically return to home via the remote control. Number 2. BVS85 Pro Drone Camera. The S85 Pro equipped with 4K high-resolution pixel front lens. The picture is clear, and it is delicate, and supports 90-degree free adjustment of the angle. With advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. The S85 Pro drone uses an upgraded version of the brushless motor, and is equipped with 4 propeller guards to protect you from spinning propellers and ensure the drone's propellers from the collision, and remote control distance 100 meter. This drone equipped large capacity 3.7 volt 1200 mAh lithium battery, flight time 10 minutes, and charging time 60 minutes. Besides, it also has low battery prompt, emergency stop function, and automatic return function. To ensure your flight safety, just one key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple. To control for even beginners, altitude hold function can maintain the drone at a certain height, which makes it so easy to control and take high-quality footage. A new generation of intelligent hovering system keeps flying at all times. Height, easy to control, and easy to shoot. Novices can get started in seconds. This drone-equipped smart waypoint system app draw the flight trajectory you want. Drone immediately follow the trajectory you draw to fly. Number 1. Sharefun Bail L900 Pro Drone. The L900 Pro Drone provides ESC 4K HD wide-angle camera, can be adjust the angle 90 degree by controller, with 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, take pictures or video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. This drone equipped 7.4 volt 2200 mAh high-capacity smart battery yields up to 28 minutes of flight time. It also brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful. When running, breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. The drone will automatically follow and capture you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flight and selfie. The drone-equipped waypoint flight mode. Open the drone app, use flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen, the copter will auto-fly as per the given path. This drone provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone.